I'm Susanne, and I am here with On Guard. However, I want to tell you how to next level it. So, On Guard is my number one go to for immune support. It just pulls through every time. I always have some with me wherever I go. And if I feel a little bit compromised, a little scratchy throat or something, or if somebody around me is sneezing, coughing, and it makes me uncomfortable, I pull out my On Guard. But there are times when we need next level recipe. And this is what you do. You take 5 oils: frankincense, lemon, On Guard, oregano, and tea tree or melaleuca. It's the same plant. You combine those and now you have got next level immune support. So for children, you dilute it with fractionated coconut oil. You rub it on their feet. You can put it around ears when issues come up. I like to drink it in my tea. When you put all 5 together, it doesn't taste great. Tea tree and oregano don't taste great. Some people like to put it in a teaspoon of honey. That works. I don't mind the taste if it's going to help me to be well. So we all find our way to take it, and it can even be put into a capsule, an empty capsule, and just swallowed like a supplement. But On Guard plus frankincense, lemon, oregano, and tea tree is next level power, and it will pull you through every time.